Hey guys, so this video is for those people wondering how to withdraw large amounts of money from a Fifth Third bank. Now, the best method is actually to visit a branch in person, because if you are doing any significant cash withdrawal, for example, thousands of dollars or more, the branch is the only reliable way to get the money immediately. ATMs, they have limits. They have a set daily limit, often $500 to $1,000 or similar range, which is too small for a large amount. So you need to present your valid photo ID and your Fifth Third debit card or account information to a bank teller. And a lot of the times, okay, what happens is, to comply with federal regulations, especially for withdrawals of $10,000 or more, the bank must file a CTR, which is a currency transaction report. This is a routine regulatory requirement for cash transactions over $10,000. Okay, so just keep that in mind. So you need to be there in person. And banks also, they don't usually keep large amounts of cash on hand for security reasons. So if you try to withdraw a very large sum over $10,000 or even less sometimes, depending on the branch's volume, they may not be able to fulfill that request immediately. So you need to go ahead and request to them that you want to withdraw a certain sum, and they'll prepare those amounts for you in the required denominations as well. Maybe you want $100 bills, for example. But otherwise, it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.